how to replace the maintenance box on your Epson WorkForce WF-7820. Step number 1, go on this side, put your fingers here and lift. The maintenance box is located right on the front. To access it, you're going to pinch this and remove the panel out of the way. And then we need to slide it towards the left. So you're going to put your finger here, slide it towards the left and lift it. This is how it looks, and I'll put a link in the description towards the maintenance box that you can get from Amazon that is compatible with this model, so you don't have to search. Check my links. So once you get your new one, you're going to put it back, then slide it towards the right side, close this lid, close this other lid, and right over here, press OK.